Hi everyone, here we've got EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So actually how to manage it. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And now we have to scroll down in order to find accounts. As you can see, we do not have any previously added Google accounts, so in order to do that, just tap on Add Account. From this list, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account by tapping on this option, and thanks to this you will be able to register, or we can simply type our email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, if you are ready, just tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info you need. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. If you'd like to remove it, all you have to do is simply tap on it, so let me do it, and tap on remove account right here. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears, so it means that we just successfully removed it. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.